Hi, I'm Noah.
I'm Gina, and we're Service Projects Coordinators at the CLCE. And today we're partnering with Keep Winter Park Beautiful to do a Watershed Cleanup service project. Anecia, I'm a junior studying psychology, and today we're working with Keep Winter Park Beautiful. Their goal is to help make Winter Park an environmentally friendly place and healthy place to live.
There's a plastic top.
Hey, how's it going? Just cleaning up Dinky Dock. You know what? Beautiful Saturday morning at 9:30 a.m. and we're just trying to make a difference at Rollins College.
Gina, this is my third year living on campus. It's good to be back and be able to safely see my friends again. And between work, school, and safe events on campus, I keep really busy.
The CLCE team is constantly engaging in the community. If you would like to be a participant as well, just check Instagram and your email for updates.
The project is meaningful because it's important to clean up after ourselves and our waterways for animals and humans for future generations. Today on our Watershed Cleanup, it was great to make an impact on our community, and check out Keep Winter Park Beautiful for more projects like this and our CLCE Instagram page. Thank you!